This is Stefan. This is... no, she no better than that. But she girl. Well, hi, Stefan. Long time no see.
Oh, you pregnant? That was the mirror.
I knew it was something. Girl, no, you did. Journey of life. I'm popping out with. Good morning, my brother babies. It's your girl Cash, and we back with another money vlog. Bow, bow, bow. You're new to the channel. Hi, welcome. If you're not, welcome back. Them cells got me tonight. Okay, so we gotta make this quick. Girl, who told you to get in the bed? Come on, we gotta go. Put on your pink Crocs. Okay, so to give y'all a quick rundown, this video is going to consist of me basically telling my mama that your girl is preggo, you know what I'm saying? Out of 5 months that I've been keeping it to myself, I'm out of breath. Out of 5 months, we've been keeping it to ourselves. Now it's finally the time to tell her before I pop out publicly. You know what I'm saying? We just woke up and washed our face and stuff, but my cousin is on the way. I had got some donuts. It was supposed to say it's a girl and some donuts, but my cousin just went to pick it up. She in town. And she just went to pick it up, and they just pink donuts, which that's fine too, but she just said, she just called and showed me how they look. So she just said she's going back in there to see if she can write "it's a girl" and icing over the donuts. So we're going to see how that goes. Excuse that lightning, but I got to talk to y'all fast because I still got to get Pete dressed and ready. But yeah, this vlog is going to consist of me basically telling my mom that I'm pregnant and get her reaction. And out of these 5 months that, you know, I've been pregnant, 2 of the months we haven't been talking because we got into it real bad. And so this is like our very first time trying to, you know, talk it out, whatever like that, because she can't stop being my mama. Even though she gets on my nerves, she cannot stop being my mama. You know what I'm saying? Like, we both said some stuff to each other, but baby, it's life. That's just how it is. So we about to see how this go, and I just feel like I want to vlog this moment, because like with Paris, my pregnancy with Paris, she was damn near, like, I told her everything basically. Come on, baby, come on. Mommy gotta do something to your hair. I still gotta do something to my hair. I still gotta throw on my little fit. So we're gonna throw on pink today. Our Paris brand. I'm gonna say our brand because, you know, I'm the co-owner of it. It's really her brand, but we're gonna push it out to be. Okay, we're going with Fufu and Grandma. Go put on your shoes. Yeah, go put your shoes on, and Mommy her hair been the same for about 4 days, y'all. I honestly probably just make it look cuter and put some pink bows on it and do it like that, because I still gotta get dressed and fix this my hair, what it got going on over here. I just want to kind of get on here and give y'all a little rundown on what is going on. Baby, can you turn your tablet down a little bit? Turn your tablet down. Turn it down some, please. I just want to get on here and give y'all a quick little rundown real quick on what's about to happen. I'll show y'all the donuts when my cousin get here. She should be on the way here because she wasn't too far from me, about 15 minutes. So I got 15 minutes to get dressed. So I'm going to TT right now and tap back in with y'all later. Alright, so I use the donuts. Shut the fuck up. No, she no better than that.
But you gotta think about it, they ain't real icing. They ain't that icing like.
Oh yeah, that go on the cake. They look good too.
Yeah, I already bought new ones. I ain't ate them.
Me either.
I start the goddamn get me some. She got red velvet.
You better not. You want pop? She like to show our bag.
What she did? Okay. Stop telling her story. Like that. At 2? Come on.
It be your own children.
Come on. Oh.
Gonna close it?
Huh?
You gonna? Oh, it won't close, huh? It's gonna mess it up. That lady know better than that.
They'll get the point.
She know better than that. And that is not what I said. They look good too. I'm ready.
Come on, take a boy.
I just put on a big shirt and I'm gonna show y'all the fit in a minute. Ooh.
Ooh, big girl.
I got too much stuff. Paris tablet, her cup. Paris got on her bread, baby. And some pink shorts. Let's see the action. Probably see us walking up. Fufu probably already told her and just told her to act.
Why wouldn't I do that?
Act like she don't know.
What to tell her, what not to tell her.
Well, hi, Stefan. Long time no see. Look. Paris, don't start, man. No. Get up. What's wrong with you? Yeah, you
do too much.
Right, she like to show out.
I'm gonna take a pill. What you gonna take a pill for? You were hurting? Hey, where you going?
Y'all, this is Stefan. Stefan, this
Open it. Let your grandma open it.
what's up, Josh?
Girl.
That's your daddy laying down or something?
Come look, babe. I knew it was something.
Girl, no you did.
Yes, I did.
Why you covering your face?
What I said.
I knew she was
No,
pregnant.
no, Joshua.
No, Joshua.
No.
Another fucking Paris. What my
No, chicken.
What she say? Don't touch my man. Oh, you got me fucked. Kiara.
Be ready to taste a little donut.
Yeah. Look, I told y'all that.
You know, I
Y'all
said
think
that
I
the
be
other day.
dumb.
I said the other day when you came to the door with your roll, I said, stomach kind of still. I said it to myself.
Now, did I tell you before the time? Did I tell you ahead of time now? What? Did I tell you ahead of time? She lied. I kept that secret too. I already knew. But I kept that secret. What's wrong? Got boo-boo? Come on, baby. Come on. I thought you want a donut. You want a donut? Come on. You got to pee. Go take a boo-boo. Come on.
I'll put too long for me.
Boo-boo, go take her. Y'all like you scared to take her to the bathroom. Mama, look.
What?
Look at these donuts. Come here.
Y'all don't like donuts? He's slow.
It's a.
Oh, you pregnant?
We ready to eat this stuff. We ready to see what it tastes like.
Yeah, I knew that.
Yes, she did. She's saying that.
Yeah, I did not.
She's saying that.
What she was saying?
I've been
She's
saying.
pregnant. She's
Yep.
pregnant. Right. That's what she was saying.
Yep.
Why you
Damn
so-
sure.
when-
Call her, I say count her. Every time I say something to her, she gets so aggressive with me. Yeah. And I asked you that. I said, you must be pregnant or, yeah. I ain't dumb now.
Yeah, they do look good.
You better stop playing.
Punching your money. Put it on your-
What? Stop playing yours.
No.
Yo,
Paris,
cook
you
out.
want a donut?
Why y'all don't ate yet? I took too much.
I know. I was thinking about some Waffle House too.
Yeah, I told you I ain't
Talking
dumb.
to me.
Stop hitting me.
I'm not dumb. I've been saying that.
Stop hitting
Let me hit together. What? Who started hitting her poo-poo?
Mike.
Oh. Come on. What you say in here?
I'm about who's daddy.
They're clean.
They're clean.
They're clean.
So we ain't have no dinner bill, all that big stuff this time?
No. I'm trying to do it.
So how long is it?
5 months.
So you got 5 more months?
4.
It's my little shit.
Here, but I ain't that little thing good. I want to try the sprinkle ones.
Hey, good. You ain't talking about you want Waffle House.
Huh? No, I just told you them to go eat.
I found out the other day.
The day before, when Friday, Saturday. When you got here, Friday?
I don't look at you. She was over there. She's sitting on the couch. She
pregnant.
look pregnant to my am.
I don't know. One of these sprinkles.
He said it.
She
Sounds
just
like
thought
that
about
bitch
it.
on Pluto.
Ma always say that to me.
Yeah,
I always
I
say
said that
that.
bitch on Pluto.
Trust me, like I said, I know
You
my
know
children.
your children, yeah, you know. You sure said it. But in my head, I said that bitch on Pluto. She'll come back to Earth.
Sprinkle was good too.
So I'm out of the mix now, right? You said all the cussing out, I got cussed out.
You got cussed out for what?
In the morning, like, get your ass up and go get Terry.
She about to die without parents. We were about to die without parents.
You got a sister coming?
Mama, what you told them? She got you fucked up. You was spraying her ass. You got you fucked up. And hung up on them. So they're gonna take your motherfucking pill.
My mom will take your motherfucking drops.
She don't even know. I told her little piss ass, I said, oh, you tell every damn thing, you didn't tell her that.
Perry, you gonna be a big sister?
Come on.
She
Like
said
she
that.
know.
What's your sister's name? London.
Yeah, what's the name?
I don't know yet.
Get up before you put that pink stuff on my new carpet.
Thank you all the name after your mama since she gave you. I went through somebody's head.
Name of what?
The motherfucker don't come out like
Right,
that.
she might look like her.
Name was Demir.
Stop being
She might
childish.
look like
All right, name.
But they ain't
Perry
got
look
that.
like me.
Your baby dad ain't got a good grade hair like get the other nigga. So,
Oh, yes, you do. You do got some good
His
hair.
feet
Yeah, you got
yesterday.
pretty eyes too.
Yeah.
Huh? Well, go ahead and eat you.
I told you go get your other sister.
This is my first time eating here. They good. These the donuts you picked up for my birthday last year, remember?
They ain't take
Oh,
like
this same
that.
spot?
Mm-hmm.
That's how you want this.
Tell me something. How much?
Donuts
How
good.
much is that?
It's a good day outside. How you know these folks do nose piercing? Oh, it say piercing. It say it right there. We're just doing stuff. I'm gonna go look in Rainbow after this, but I think I want my peach fuzz. My peach fuzz threaded. I don't think I need my eyebrows here.
Baby, let me know if you wanna eat. She like, you already know. Just put your girl on fleek. I'm like, cool, I can do that, boo. What you want, some shoes? Jimmy Choo, with a handbag too. Red up, baby, boo, she get the smile. She ain't used to this, she ain't used to shit. I'm just laughing, could've been the way I move my lips. I be speeding, could've been the driver, the way I push the whip.
Oh. Yes, because I don't think we need my eyebrows done just yet. Not yet. That felt good. Smooth, like a baby's bottom. It is. Threaded makes a difference than wax. They be feeling good. Now them eyebrows hurt a little bit, but it gets the job done.
Fuck her. Down later.
We about to go to Rainbow now, my favorite store. See what we can find.
All the good parking spaces.
Alright, y'all, so we back at the house. Yeah. Y'all got the gist of the little vlog. I feel like everything didn't go as much as planned how I thought it would in my head. But I'm glad it's done and over with, you know what I'm saying? Just so we can kind of move forward on it or whatever. If y'all see like my face is kind of tooted up here, I just got through boo-booing. And baby, you know I tell you, it stink. It stinks real bad. So we're really not about to do nothing right now because it looks like it's about to rain outside. Just about to chill. I'm about to watch my favorite YouTubers and just probably edit some videos to get it ready to get uploaded for y'all. As the time comes, you know what I'm saying? Because today's September 1st. It's a Sunday. New month, new blessings. On top of blessings. Look at him. Stealing candy.
Mommy,
What?
look.
What's that?
Make a mouse.
Okay, I'll open it in a minute. Yeah, so I need to light these candles, baby, because y'all girl, she's stinky. But, hold on. Mommy about to open it. But yeah, it's September 1st, and I'm going to start dropping these vlogs soon. But I'm a little late on vlogs. When it comes to editing vlogs and stuff, I be draining it. Like, you know what I'm saying? Like, it's just, I need to find somebody to edit my stuff for me, but whatever. It's going to get done. And y'all just realized fall is here, and I can't wait to start decorating in the fall vibes. I'm really about to start getting all the fall stuff out anyway. And look at these roses my man got me. I woke up to some roses the other day. Yes, baby. I woke up to some, let me see. I woke up to some roses the other day, period. And I'm just so ready to start decorating for fall. So sooner or later, y'all gonna get a fall vlog sooner or later, y'all gonna get a fall vlog where I decorate a little bit of stuff around the house. And yeah, so I can't wait to do that. Hand mommy that. Oh, one of them fell out. Throw it in the trash. Throw that in the trash. So yeah, I can't wait to do that. I can't wait to decorate, redo Paris' room to, you know, fit in with the new baby. I'm probably about to get on Amazon and look to see what I want to order now. So eventually, when all that stuff come in, I'll be ready to decorate that or whatever like that. I'm excited, y'all. New journey, new life. I'm popping out with. It's just about to be a whole new blessing. I'm just ready to see what this is about to bring, honestly. I'm excited for it. But I want to come back on here, and my feet is hurting, y'all. Like, my feet didn't get swollen with Paris, but baby, this baby, my feet be getting swole. Like, I be like, dang. I really be like, dang. Like, come on, why you want to do me like that? Look at him. I can't wait. So we had on this today. We probably gonna make some TikToks too, but it's the Bread Baby Sports Bra. It's not on the website just yet. It's not on the website just yet. And then the Bread Baby shorts. Let me show y'all. Bread Baby shorts, so cute. Y'all can wear this as like a little workout fit, gym fit, anything around the house, lounge fit when I add it to the site. So most definitely make sure y'all shop Bread Baby apparel, because we about to start bringing in adult clothes, and besides just baby clothes, I feel like the apparel is like the dot apparel, Bread Baby dot apparel. The A stand for adult. And yeah, we're gonna wing it to have adult clothes and women clothes and baby clothes, and you know, just adult clothes in general and baby clothes. Like, yeah, that's what we're working on. But yeah, it's cute. A little sports bra or whatever, my baby. And I wore it in pink. Got it in pink. I'm gonna do some more colors too. And Paris got on her Bread Baby shirt. She had to change her shorts because she boo-booed in her shorts. Let me see your shirt. Yep. Shop Bread Babies. Yeah. So that's what we're about to do right now. I'm about to end this vlog off. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, tell a friend, and turn that bell post notification on so you can be notified every time your girl posts a new money vlog, new money video, new money challenge, whatever the case may be. Tell your family, come and join the Bread family, because we getting money over here. Like I always say, it's your girl Cash, and we always chasing the motherfucking bag, and your girl is out. You feel me?